Alright, let's get straight into app number 1, which is Edge Card Launcher. Edge Card Launcher is a simple application which will enable a small line in the edge of the display, which if you swipe down will show a pop-up in which you can control your media and also increase volume and decrease volume, open up app using its shortcuts, open quick dial contacts, and not only that, also enable or disable the auto rotate feature or turn on off the flashlight. This is a multi-utility app for all multi-utilitarians. This is a multi-utility app for all the productive people. Hey guys, welcome back. This is your host Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena, and in this video we are going to take a look at the top apps of this month, July. Let's go. The second app on the list is a wallpaper application and it is called as Paper. This is a super cool wallpaper app which has paper drawing like wallpapers, which is super cool, and it's available in different colors and styles. What I love about this application is that all the wallpapers are very minimal and soothing to your eyes. If you set a wallpaper from this app, I'm sure people will ask you, hey, where did you get that wallpaper from? All the wallpapers are of 5K resolution, so you won't have any problems in getting the proper clarity for your display. Download this wallpaper application and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. The link is in the description below. Check him out. So the third app on the list is called as AutoClose. Now most of us close all the recent background applications, and it is bad for the battery, as I have already said in a video, but most of us close those apps which we don't again open, which is in the background, and we often tend to forget to close these applications and making these applications run in the background, consuming a lot of battery. AutoClose is an application which will disable all the background running applications and also clear all the notifications the moment you switch off your screen. You can also set certain applications not to close while you perform this action, so that the application that you still want to run in the background will remain in the background, and you can also do the same with the notifications. This is a really cool automated application which saves your time in clearing all the recent apps and notifications that you don't need. The next app is a super cool audio visualizer application called as Movies Edge. Now this is an app which displays an audio visualizer while you play any media using the smartphone. And the best part about this app is that it also doubles as an AOD display, always on display, where if you turn off the screen, the audio visualizer will appear on your screen, which makes it super cool while playing audio. Download this application and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And by the way, this doesn't consume that much of a battery, so don't worry about that. The last and final app is called as Spectra. Spectra is an application which shows all the information related to your mobile, in terms of what processor it uses, what are the sensors that is actively working, how much storage is consumed, everything about your smartphone. Spectra is a very useful application when you need to know small details about your smartphone as to what are the sensors in it and what are the camera sensors that have been used. And if you are a tech geek, I'm sure you will have applications like this already installed. Spectra is an application by the developers of Electron, which is an application which I've already showcased in one of our videos. The download link for all the applications is there in the description below. Please do check it out. And also, let me know your personal favorite app in the comment section below from what I've suggested. And hey, if you enjoy watching my content, a like to this video would make a lot of difference because it will help me reach in the algorithm. And also, most of you see my video, forget to subscribe to my channel, and I know it's common, but now it's your time. Just click the red color subscribe button below. Just go and click the red color subscribe button, make it gray, and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. So that's it for today's video. This is your host Arnav. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.